Now there are some cases where the triangulation, the triangle isn't going in a proper direction. Here's kind of a case in point. You can see that this triangle is going from this contour to this contour, and therefore really creating a flat spot in this area when it really should kind of project from this elevation to another elevation over here. Now it could be because we don't have the retaining wall or other feature, but this is just a good example. So from the plan view, you can select the triangle edge and swap its direction, and that's the swap triangles command. So on the surfaces tab, we're going to go to swap triangles. You're going to pick the surface, and then you're going to pick the triangle you want to swap. So if I come over here and I pick this line, if you watch it over here in a 3D view, you'll see that it changes the direction of that triangle. The same thing over here. I can pick on this one, and I can pick on this one. Now sometimes Breaklines will help address this, or that surface property of minimize flat edges could also do it, but you can see here by doing that, now we've got a better triangulated surface. So same thing in here, as if I pick on this one, pick that edge, you can see now it's triangulating up to this part, making a more constant, smoother slope rather than that flat spot. And you can really notice it in a when you look at it maybe in a surface slicer view. So if I do something like this, and let's go ahead and split this, you'll see here if I swap these back, okay, you can see how it's projecting over here. It's actually creating more of a flat spot than what is intended, right? We actually want it to go up. So again, it's just a matter of how you interpolate that surface. So here I can make it go so that it actually crosses that break line, which is that red dot that you see there. So that kind of creates a better, smoother area. Now this is flat in here because it's still triangulating, and this may be better handled with a break line coming in through here to define this this area in here to give it more of a low spot or a high spot depending on what the design intent is.